I'd vote him if I were out there.
Bob, you would. You'd find a bag of votes, pocket of cash, and some carrot we would toss in along the way.
Kimberly, one thing we haven't talked about is state legislatures, and the Republicans have the majority of governorships. They might lose, but the Democrats might pick up one. But the governor's races have been actually pretty good for Republicans. But we don't talk too much about the state legislatures. Those are almost going to be uniformly Republican majorities across the board. And that matters because state legislators that are Republican, that have a Republican governor, actually can get policies put forward. That matters also then for the future because governors that have experience and accomplishment and management tend to make good candidates. So as we look ahead into the future, 2016, even 2020, these governor's races are important.
You may have the largest number of Republican state legislatures ever, legislatures ever, which is really does make a difference. But by the way, minimum wage, there are 5 states that have a minimum wage initiative on the ballot. My guess is they're all going to pass, and if you look at where the people are going to vote for, I bet Republicans vote for it.
Alaska, Arkansas, Illinois, Nebraska, and South Dakota, also marijuana in a couple of states, BC, Alaska, Oregon, and Florida, yeah, medical
marijuana.
Do you think, Bob, actually, Greg, I was going to ask about that DC legalization of marijuana. Do you think that would pass in DC? You've been there for a while.
I guess so. The tide is turning. I think people are less inclined to look at it as something evil, something that as adults we can handle. I want to point out, however, a lot of people are wondering, well, what's on tonight besides the elections? Because there are other things on Animal Planet right now. They're going to have a marathon of finding Bigfoot. They've had sightings in New Jersey, Santa Cruz, and Massachusetts. Pretty sure it's a shirtless Shepherd Smith. He's carried in a Turkish bath shower drain.
I'm really glad.
I have put on YouTube
That was paid off something. Have you been saying it's low turnout? For God's sake, how long have we been talking about this? Why is it going to be low turnout?
Well, the turnout figures are state by state. Some have big turnout, but you always hear this in the middle of the day. That's the biggest turnout ever. And it tends not to be that way. My guess is that there are probably fewer voters going to vote now than voted as a percentage of the electorate.
You got the liberals have been saying, well, the reason why this is so skewed to the Republicans this time is because it's going to be a low turnout vote. Well, if that were the case, where's
that doesn't just explain the whole picture.
Because Democrats don't have a lot of, first of all, most Democrats are running in some very difficult states, and they don't have a whole lot to be out there cheering about.
But the good news for Democrats is if they don't vote today, tomorrow, they have till tomorrow to vote. Right, it's the new rule.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, so 8 o'clock tomorrow, Democrats can still vote.
Republicans need to vote today, and Democrats,
Yeah. I just wanted to get that out there before we forgot.
The business would be an easy
was a
call.
joke.
Yeah, you election by who you're counting.
Media Matters calls the Department of Justice on us. We were just kidding.
Kidding.
Wait, I'm sure.
Next, Republicans are poised to make history with a number of races tonight. Dana's going to tell you how we come back. Stay with us.
She snores. That fucking dog snores.
every night.
This week in its leader, person named Osama bin Laden, along with many other United States, has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda.
What, you have a bad dream with Frank Station?
This program is brought to you by E.
So Kentucky's fine, right?
Learn more.
Huh?
Kentucky?
Oh, yeah.
Inside.
he didn't do it on purpose.